In this comprehensive guide, I'll explain step by step how to add space in Mac Dock. As an experienced Mac user, I've always been fascinated by the customization possibilities of the macOS dock. To begin customizing your Mac Dock, you'll need to access the dock settings via the Terminal app. Press Command plus Space to summon Spotlight. Type Terminal and open the same. If no results appear, download the Terminal app from the App Store. Copy and paste the special code in the terminal. Code is available on our website, link in description. This code tells your dock to create a blank space. Press Return to send the message. Now, type kill all dock and press Return again. This command will refresh the dock of your MacBook. Voila! A new space should appear in your dock. Want more space? Just repeat steps. Remember to refresh the dock, kill all dock, after each edition. When you're done customizing, close Terminal. Spacer tiles can also be used to organize applications and create separation for documents and folders on the right side of your dock. As discussed previously, launch the Terminal app on your Mac. Copy and paste the command into the Terminal window, link in description. This command differs slightly from the previous one, as it targets the persistent others setting within the dock preferences. Press Return to execute the command and create a spacer tile. Finally, type kill all dock and press Return again. This restarts the dock, ensuring the newly added spacer is reflected on the document side. Want more space? Just repeat steps. To remove unneeded spacer tiles separating applications, simply follow the steps. Locate the empty space you wish to remove from your dock. Click and hold on the empty space within the dock. Doing so, a context menu will appear. Select the option that reads Remove from Dock. Follow same steps to remove all unnecessary space of dock. You are all set. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel.